Hey folks, in this particular video we'll be going to start an overall whatever the learnings which I am making, right? Learnings I am making, that in this particular video I'm making a series of videos so that you will able to understand how to learn these things in step by step. All right, so in this particular video what I will be going to discuss is how you can set up. Okay, first thing we'll be going to getting started with the installation step by step, how you can do the installation. First of all, step 1, you have to install the R, right? In the step 1 is nothing but it is something like installing Python. Basically you are, after installing the Python, like any IDs basically, okay, to work on a particular purpose basically. So for that purpose we have a R, install the R programming, R program. It is something like that. Step 2, we have to install RStudio, where you can execute the code and parallelly you can see how the things is going to work basically. In this particular video what we are going to discuss is basically how you can set up your machine basically. Okay, how you can set up the R and RStudio. In the next video what we'll be going to discuss is like basics of R, what are the things which is very required for that. Okay, all right. I hope you understood the agenda, what we'll be going to discuss throughout the series basically, right? So rest of the things you will be going to understand when we take this series basically. All right, so you will be able to understand. So first of all, you have to download the R basically, right? I hope you understood what we are going to do. Okay, so it will going to you this particular URL, right? So you have to just click on this download your R. This will do, so you have to just click on this cloud.r-project.org, right? So you have to just choose which particular purpose, which system you are using, right? If you are using the Linux, you can just download Debian, Red Hat, Fedora or Ubuntu. Okay, so I am having my Windows system, so I will be just clicking on this. So okay, so in the, you have to just click on this base. Okay, so I will be installing the R for the first time. All right, so for this particular purpose I will be going to download this read R. All right, so what I will be going to do is, in this desktop I will be writing like software. Okay, maybe what I will be going to do is I will be going to upload this file, okay, so that for yours you can just have a look and you can download that. All right, so this is a basically thing. Step number 1, you have to download R and you have to install that basically. So what I will be going to do is, basically we have downloaded the R basically, right? So what we'll be going to do, we'll just try to click on that setup file. It will be asking you the permit here, right? You have to just click on yes. Alright, so it will be asking the setup language basically here. You have to just click on OK, just click on next, okay. You have to just might start, no, accept defaults. It will accept the defaults or no, click the next, okay, and just click on next, and it will be like whatever the things options are there, do like that itself. Just click on next, going to load that website. Now everything down, we have installed R in our system basically, right? Now we have done. So we want to check it, confirmation, how it is looking like. R, if you just go to this, basically you will able to understand. So like a similar, you will be able to understand like it is similar to the Python, right? So you will be able to understand. We will be going to understand in next video, otherwise it will become a longer process. Okay, let me close this application. Okay, we will not going to save this file. Step number 2, if you don't have Anaconda, right, what you can do, you can just download from here, install RStudio here. I will show both of the options how you can do it. Okay, if you installed here, right, it will show that it is installed there also. All right, so what we'll be going to do, download, we have installed R. See, using this also it will redirect to install R basically. Okay, all right, so you can do like either of the things. it will redirect to you to download this basically. Okay, the same website link, it will be redirect to you. Okay, what I can suggest is you have to just go through this link. Okay, everything it will be do you can do it by itself. Okay, they have given proper documentation basically. I guess it will be not a studio like this link is better, so go to through this link, you will be able to understand, right? RStudio, just click on that setup file. It will ask you once again the same thing. You have to just click on yes, next install. Okay, so both are the same options, it will be going to give it to you. All right, so what I can suggest is you can just put it here. So I will click on download link. Okay, so it is getting down installing right now. We'll just wait until then. All right, so you have to just wait until then. You just check that here it is getting downloaded right now. It is getting installed in our system. It is so simple folks, not a all right. Installing the software, it is very easy. This is steps that you have to follow, right, to install the RStudio and R. If you are installed R, if you have successfully installed R, then you can, if you have installed Anaconda, okay, we'll just click on finish. I will just show you like RStudio how it is looking like, so that you will get an idea where you will get the requirements here. Okay, use a machine default 64-bit version. Okay, auto detected. Okay, you can use a specific version of R as so. This is a way you can get dashboard over here. Okay, so you can where you can import particular file of R and you can just check it here. Okay, this is a menu file. You can create a new file and you can just choose whether of the option R script or R notebook or R mark. This is a options that is given by the IDE. All right.